I know that I'm not the only prepper who's worried about getting family and friends on board for prepping. I can't impress upon you just how important this is. The more people around you that are ready for whatever may be coming down the pike, the better off you will be. If they listen, this means there'll be fewer people you have to turn away during a crisis event. There are those that don't believe or just don't want to deal with what's happening. They're acting like this for one or more reasons. Cognitive dissonance, the care factor, Americans are just too secure, or plain out apathy. I know this sounds cold, but we've come to this point. Remember, you tried and they didn't want to listen. This is not an I told you so moment. This is fact. Now here's what to do. Talk to your family and friends. If they don't buy in, that's fine, but you must move along. Maybe put aside a few things for them when they show up on your doorstep for help. Be decisive. Don't dwell on their failure to prepare. It won't help you or your immediate family. And lastly, take action. Stop waiting to store water, buy food, or institute security measures to protect you and your family. Look, go to my store. You don't have to buy from me, but at least it'll give you a good idea what to start getting before the trucks stop moving. Just click the link in my bio and look for the store button. I'll leave a link in the description. Until next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.